would like to take a moment. This could not be possible without the help and coordination efforts of our three expert fifth grade teachers, Miss Kwan, Mr. Lee, and Miss Buddy. Let's give them a round of applause. It also would not be possible without our amazing parent volunteers who have been helping with rehearsals and with the programs and with today's event in making sure that all of our kids get to and from the stage on time. So our parents, let's give them a hand. Our fifth grade volunteers. So without further ado, we have a packed schedule for you today. We're going to get started. Fourth grade, this is you next year. So get excited, take a look, and enjoy the show. Have a wonderful morning, and we'll see you at the end of the show. Enjoy.
Anyway, my name is Leon, and this is Today we will be your guide to this wonderful variety.
No, you don't get it. You wouldn't get full points.
No! Whatever. We will have the final results. Episode 2 of the World